What is up, ATL? This is meteorologist Jordan Darensberg. Right now, it's really nice outside. Temperatures right at 70. It was a nice chilly start to the day, but that probably changes because we're going to have a wet day ahead. And speaking of wet days, you're going to need one of these, because looking at some of the rain showers throughout Atlanta earlier this morning, we're also going to have a cold front come through that's going to bring us some more of those rain showers. And in our predictor, it talks about that perfectly. Thursday at noon, we're going to have that cold front stretching from just east of Nashville to places like Huntsville, through Starkville, Mississippi, and down through central Mississippi. And at 5 o'clock, that's where the cold front's going to start cutting through parts of North Georgia, through Alabama, and with that, the rain chances for our area. Then the cold front will have passed through the Atlanta metro, just south of Montgomery as well. The rains pass through, but the temperatures are going to start to cool off, and the high pressure is going to start to really build in for your Friday. And on Saturday, heading through the SEC championship game, you'll see a few clouds, and it will definitely be a chillier occasion for that day. Anyways, your drought index, much of metro Atlanta is still abnormally dry. However, the places that need this rain most often will be places like Albany and Colquitt, which are under a moderate drought. Also moderate drought off to our west in parts of western Alabama and Mississippi. And your next 48 hours look like this. 56 in Atlanta. Atlanta's going to be slightly warmer than the area around our region. Places like Kennesaw are going to be in the low 50s. You'll get upper 50s in Atlanta and Peachtree City because of the jet engines from the Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson Airport that are going to start to warm the temperatures up just a little bit. We're also going to see some low 40s even in places like Trenton in the North Georgia mountains. Heading into tomorrow, we're going to have temperatures around 70 throughout our metropolitan area, but near 60 throughout the North Georgia mountains. Places like Calhoun are going to be at 60, but we're looking at places like Canton and Cumming around 70, as well as downtown Atlanta and Alpharetta. And then for your tomorrow evening, we're going to have temperatures around 50 in an area along and south of I-20, but we're looking at upper 40s throughout much of North Georgia. Places like Calhoun are going to be at 48, Rome at 47, and Cedartown at 48 degrees. And for your Saturday, 66 in Atlanta, 60 in Conyers, and 62 in Lawrenceville. Nice day on tap for these next few days. But first, the rain's going to be here, and it's going to be breezy with that southerly wind associated with the cold front. Sunset's going to be early at 5:29. And then Saturday, oh yeah, we have the SEC championship game. Tailgating, it's going to be a really nice day for the tailgate. Clouds are going to start to build in a little bit for kickoff at 65 degrees. And post-game, after we determined our SEC champion, it'll be 60 degrees for that big showdown between Georgia and Auburn. And then the Falcons taking on the Vikings on Sunday. It's going to be a nicer day for that with temperatures around 70. The roof at Mercedes-Benz Stadium will be closed, but it will be a nice day to get out and tailgate. It's with partly cloudy skies, and oh yeah, the big slogan here in Atlanta is Rise Up, and it's going to be a big day for that. And now your 7-day forecast. The rain likely today. Also, we're going to have a lot of that cloud cover throughout much of these next few days before another cold front comes in on Tuesday and brings up another big chance of rain.